May I see your boarding pass and passport, please? Do you have any checked bags? Your flight is boarding at gate 12. The flight has been delayed by 30 minutes. Can I get a window seat? Is there anything sharp or dangerous in your carry-on luggage? Please put your belongings on the conveyor belt. Please raise your arms for the security scan. Please keep your belongings with you at all times. Where can I find the restrooms? Where is the baggage claim? Can you help me find my gate? Excuse me, do you know where I can buy a snack? I'm lost. Can you help me find my way? How long is the flight to Tokyo? What is the weather like in London right now? Do you have any travel-sized toiletries? Can I exchange my currency here? Is there a currency exchange near the airport? Where can I rent a car? How do I get to the city center from here? Is there a hotel near the airport? Can you recommend a good restaurant near here? What time is it? Why is it? Do you have any Wi-Fi here? Can I charge my phone here? Where can I find a first aid kit? Is there a lost and found office here? I've lost my boarding pass. What should I do? I've missed my flight. What should I do? Can I reschedule my flight? Can I get a refund for my flight? I'm not feeling well. Can I see a doctor? Is there a pharmacy near the airport? I need to make a phone call. Where can I find a payphone? Can I use your phone to make a call? Do you have a pen? Do you have a map? Can you help me fill out this form? I need to use the restroom. I'm hungry. Where can I find a restaurant? I'm thirsty. Where can I find a drink? I'm tired. Where can I find a place to sit down? I'm cold. Where can I find a blanket? I'm hot. Where can I find a fan? I'm lost. Can you help me find my way? I'm not sure what to do. Can you help me? Thank you for your help. You're welcome.